next section, what we'll be doing differently is we're going to do a medley based on a particular raga. Okay? So for now, we're starting off with, I think it's my father's favorite raga of all. It's the Shivaranjani raga. So let's give it up for this raga.
I will play the first part of that Shivaranjani Raga song. You have to tell me what it is. If you tell me what it is, only then I'll play the next parts. How is that? Okay. You people are good. You're good. So you just needed the first 4 notes. Okay. So please sing along. It's a little higher on the pitch, but that's okay. Sing louder. Okay. So now I wanted to play some Malayalam, but you may not catch it, so I will not play, okay? So let me play another one, another beautiful singer. You will know, okay? Let me play this. If you can catch the song, you will know who the singer is. After this, let me play one more Hindi. you can see how the same raga brings out different textures, different flavors. Now, Mere Nana is a deeply melancholic song. This one is more of a romantic song. I will end with something more peppy. Okay. Let me try a Malayalam song. It's a devotional song. Hope Mahesh can catch it. Okay. It's one of the most famous songs of this combination of music directors called Jai Vijay. Okay. They were at the top. Their son is Manoj K. Jain, who is an actor. He also sings well. Okay. If you've not heard it, you wouldn't catch it. The song is called Hridayam Devalayam. I think it's self-explanatory. Hridayam Devalayam. Okay. And then it extrapolates on that, so it's like a poetry. Okay, so it extends into that, describes about that, and that is what the song is all about. Again in Rag, Shivaranjani. I'll end with that same era. So we did Mukesh, we did Kishore. There's only one person left, right? Rafi. No comparison. Nobody comes anywhere close to Rafi. I used to attempt singing Rafi songs, but I stopped. Because every phrase of what he sings is a song in itself. It's so beautiful. So it's better to just listen and not attempt to sing. So you'll find many songs, and this raga has all emotions. Okay, right from bhakti to love to melancholy to joy. The last one is like joy. Okay. And so all shades it covers. That is the beauty of this raga.